In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your Facebook post shareable. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then let's just create a post. We can add there some text, attach some photos, and to make our post shareable, we need to change its privacy settings. We can easily do that right from here. In my case, it says only me in that drop-down menu, and if we tap on it, we'll be able to change it to specific friends, friends accept, friends, and public. If we would like to make our post shareable just for our friends, we need to select friends. If you would like to prohibit some user from sharing your post, you can tap add friends accept and then select that user. However, if you would like to make your Facebook post shareable for anyone on Facebook, you can select public, and after that hit add done. Then we can hit add post to post it on Facebook. However, the same thing is about the post we have already posted. So if we scroll down a bit at our Facebook profile page, we can find our post. As you can see, that post I posted 5 days ago, and for those posts we can also change privacy settings to make them shareable. To do that, tap at 3 dots, edit privacy, and then switch it to friends public or specific friends or friends accept. That's how you can basically make your Facebook posts shareable.